Hi, I'm Tom and I'm a business grad with a major in marketing, having joined Perfection Fresh in the first ever grad program in 2023. So far, I've spent time working in marketing, HR, technical quality, and production and manufacturing, with a few more rotations coming up in a category team, so I'll be getting a bit of sales experience, as well as some time relocating to a company-owned farm in Adelaide, and then going to finance and new product development. The program has really taught me the ins and outs of the company, and really allowed me to explore what kind of aspect of the business I might want to work in at the end of the program. The program is great for people that are unsure about what sort of career path they would like to go down, or even people who are just looking to learn every aspect of a business and to understand how a business runs and operates.